Forex is now the topic of the day. And why do people trade forex? Most of people get into forex because people think forex is a game. Others also think forex is gambling. Others think forex is a get rich quick scheme. Get rich quick scheme. And I will tell you that forex is a business. So people get into forex because of these major reasons. And why do they want to trade forex? Because they want to make money. The center of the whole thing is money. They want to be able to make money. And why do they want to make money? They want to make money so that they can quit their job. They want to make money so that they can be free, or they are looking for a way where they can have more freedom as compared to their traditional job. People trade forex because they want to make money to buy their vehicles and have luxurious life. Others also trade forex because they think it is a hobby and something you can do to get money quick money. These are all the major reasons why people trade forex, because they think they want to do this to get money. But the fact of the matter is that you cannot approach forex this way. If not, you will never make money in trading forex. Becoming a forex trader, living in a big mansion, driving big cars, having the freedom to go wherever you want to go, trading from the beach, making a lot of money, sleeping on money, money flowing to you. This is the lifestyle everybody promised on YouTube. People on YouTube are showing you how to get rich fast, how to move from $10 to $1 million, and how to buy your next Bugatti, how to buy your next vehicle, your next house. So it's a dream and a lifestyle everybody will show to you, right? Forex is not about that. Forex is not quick money. It's not a way to buy a vehicle, but forex is a way to get freedom, and it's a way for you to even quit your job and take forex as a business. The purpose of forex is a business, not as quick money, not a job, not to buy your vehicles and your luxuries. People here on YouTube are selling the easy lifestyle. They think you can just watch one YouTube video, you learn how to click buy and sell, and the next day you are the next millionaire on the mountain. That's what people show you on YouTube here. Thinking that forex is an easy thing, but forex is not an easy thing. It's not quick money. It's not a hobby, guys. It's not a way to buy your vehicles or your mansion next month. It's not a game. It's not gambling, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. But forex is a business that we build. If you don't approach forex in a business mindset or as an entrepreneur, then you can never ever make money in forex. Because if you follow these guys on YouTube who are showing you how to take $10 all the way to $1 million, and then you follow these guys and you want to gamble your money, then it's up to you. But if you are able to approach forex as a business is something that grows naturally, then you are never going to think of taking $10 to $1 million. But a business, we have a way we build a business as entrepreneurs. So what most people do is that when they begin trading forex, when they hear of forex, they also want to trade and make some money out of the market. What they do is that they deposit they deposit $100, or some deposit $200, and then they deposit this amount of money in their brokerage account. So they begin trading. They trade, make some profit by luck or by chance, and they're happy. They end up losing it. Then they deposit again. They make some profit by luck or by chance. Then they lose it again, and they think, "Wow, I made it." They've forgotten the fact that they can lose, but they are remembering the fact that they made some profit and they lost it. So they think, "Okay, what if I'm able to gather more money and put it in forex, or put it in crypto, or any form of trading?" So they go and gather money and they put it in the market, or they put it in the brokerage account, and they keep trading without any skill, without any knowledge, and they keep trading as if they are trading a game or gambling, or they want a get rich quick scheme. So they begin doing this and they end up blowing the account. Now at this moment, this is what happened. They become frustrated, and when they become frustrated, now they can't see risk. The term risk, because they want to make their money as quick as possible. Because of that, they cannot see risk, and they end up gambling. Now the gambling mindset set in because they deposited $100 and they lost it. Now, they tried 500, they lost it. They think they have to deposit huge capital to be able to make it, so they deposit 5,000 or 10,000 and they lose it again. So at this moment, frustration sets in and they don't see risk. They want to now make the money back as soon as possible. So what they do is that they go to YouTube channels, searching for the best strategy that can never lose, searching for 100% strategies, searching for the best way to trade with indicators, searching for how to take $10 back to their $1 million that they've lost. And if you do that, you've even spoiled the case. Now, eventually you realize that making money in forex is not possible. But I'm telling you for a fact that it's a lie. If you don't approach forex as a businessman or with a business mindset, and you approach forex with this kind of mindset or trying to gamble your money all the way, then you will think that you won't be able to make money in forex. But if you approach forex in a business mindset as a businessman and you think reality as a raw person, then you can definitely make some money out of the forex market and make a living, or maybe quit your job and become a full-time trader or maybe a part-time trader or any form of trader you just want to become. But the first thing you have to do is that approach forex as a business, not as a game, not gambling, not a get rich quick scheme, not how to buy your luxury car the next month, or just something a hobby. You don't treat forex as a hobby, but forex is as a business. But don't go yet. Let me explain something to you. Guys, when you see such videos, you just skip and go to different video, go and check for the guy who's taking $10 to $1 million. But when I'm explaining something like this to you, you just come to the channel, you see me explain, then you just leave. Don't leave yet. Let me explain something to you. Let me take you a step-by-step journey. Let me take my step to explain to you step-by-step approach you're going to follow to be able to make some money out of the forex market if you are going to choose the business model. So let me explain to you. Okay, so let's take two people. Let's take a lady called Joan, and let's take a lady called Elizabeth or Liz. Now, these are two ladies who have the aspiration to sing. So what they have in common is they have music in common. They all love to sing. They like music. Okay, they want to sing. But at the end of this illustration, you realize that one person will make money from music, another person will not be able to make money from music. Per the approach these two ladies are going to choose. Now, let's say Joan like music, Liz like music. Joan sings while she's in the house. So while at home, she sings. While she's sleeping or she's eating, she's even singing. While she's walking, she's singing. So she loves singing. Liz also the same. Liz sings when she's at home. She sings while she's eating. She sings while she's walking. She's walking along the roadside. She sings. But this is what happened. Joan and Liz, as at this point, they can never make money out of music because both of them are taking it as a hobby. Something they like to do. Something they do when they feel like doing it. Something they're happy to do when they feel happy to sing, then they begin to sing. But at this point, if one of them is going to make money out of music, the word music, then this is what they have to do. If Joan continues to do that and take music as a hobby, then she's never going to make money out of music, right? Because she's taking music as a hobby. If Liz decides to go to music studio, to go and learn more about music, to record, to go for parties and sing at programs, and be able to get people who are on board and learn from them. He gets mentors or leaders. He learns from the leaders in the industry, industrial leaders. Then over a period of, let's say, 2 years, now, who will make money from music? Just tell me, with this illustration, who will make money from music? Definitely, Elizabeth will make money from music, right? Because she's recording, she's singing at programs, she's learning from mentors and industrial leaders. Joan is taking music as a hobby, so she just sings still at home. When she's in the house, then she sings. So if she's not at home, she will never sing because she is taking it as a hobby. When she's walking along, she sings. She never goes to the studio. Now, at the end of the 2 years, Joan starts complaining. Why am I not making any money from music? Liz would have made a living by that time. Music. Maybe Liz wouldn't have been a superstar. But so far as she's doing it as a career, she's taking it as a career, then she'll be able to make a living out of music. Whilst Joanne is taking it as a hobby. Liz is taking it as what? As a career. So if you want to take something as a career, you take it as a business. You use the business approach. You don't use the hobby approach. You don't make money with hobbies, guys. If you hear people saying that make money with your hobby is a lie. Even if you have a hobby and you don't turn it to be a career or a business, you can never make money out of it. That is the reality of business and making money. That's it. So Joanne will not be able to make money from the same music, whilst Elizabeth will be able to make money from music after a period of 5 years. Now, it is likely that if Liz keeps doing what she's doing, she can become a superstar. But if Joanne keeps doing what she's doing, she never changes, then she will still take music as a hobby. Maybe she has about 3 kids, 4 kids, and she's still singing for them, like singing lullabies for them. And singing is good, music is good, but she's not going to make money from music. She cannot make a conclusion that music does not pay. You get the scenario? She can't make the conclusion that music does not pay because she did not take it as a career. She took music as a hobby. Whilst Elizabeth took music as what? A career. So she went to the studio, she went to record, she went to sing, she chose mentors to train them, or she has producers to monitor her, she has industrial leaders that she's learning from. She has the zeal to become a superstar. So she puts in all the effort, keep recording, come home late. She's making something out of music. And then over time, she'll be able to make a living out of music, even if she's not a superstar. Let me give you another scenario. Let's take KFC. You all know KFC, right? What are they into? They are into frying what? Chicken. They fry chicken, and KFC is a chicken company, right? Chicken company, chicken and fried yam and some rices, right? Chicken company. The question is, can you fry chicken or you cannot fry chicken? You can fry chicken in your home, right? But why is KFC making money from chicken? KFC is making what? Money. Money from chicken. They have a lot of branches all over the world and they're making money from chicken, and you don't make money from chicken. What's the difference? Can't you go to the kitchen and then just make some chicken, right? And start selling them? The difference is that you are taking frying chicken as a hobby or something you like to do when you are free, or something you like to do when you want to eat chicken. And KFC is taking chicken frying as a business. So because of that, they have a secret recipe they follow every single time. And it took a long time for them to stand out. But it's all about frying chicken, right? You can't fry chicken. KFC can fry chicken. Your wife can fry chicken. Your husband can fry chicken. Your kid can even fry chicken. But KFC, the same chicken business, now they're making lots of money out of it. The question is, would you be happy if you are the owner of KFC? You'll be happy, right? Because if, as me right now, you own KFC, you own all the branches, they pay royalties to you. But the question is, if I say start a chicken company, will you be able to start it? You won't be able to start it because building a business is different from something you are doing for a hobby. It's completely different. They are not the same. Building a business is different from a hobby. So if you take something as a hobby, you will never make money out of it. No money. You never make any money from a hobby until you turn your hobby to become a business. When you turn your hobby to become a business, which means you're going to use a different approach. Though you like to do the thing, but you're going to use a different approach to be able to build business out of your hobby. So same as in forex. In forex, you have to take forex as a business. When people begin trading, they think that it's just about clicking buy and sell on the chart. So you see somebody doing live trading, like as you see me doing live trading here, and then you see me doing live trading, I'm making profit out of the market. So you also think you can just go and click buy and sell. Forgetting that I've been doing this thing over a long period of time. So I'm looking for what I'm looking for on the chart. When I see what I'm looking for on the chart. You're a beginner. You don't have the foundation knowledge. When you see me making profit, let's say I make profit of $1,000 per a single trade, right? So if I can make $1,000 from trading per a single trade, or $2,000 or $3,000, then the question is, you have forgotten all the foundation levels I have built because I started trading long time ago, and you are now watching me today. You're watching me today and you think that you can just watch one video and then you also be able to make $1,000 after the market, or $2,000 or $5,000 per single trade. You can't do that because I have built a whole structure. So today is the outcome of the structure I built some years ago. The same happened to you. If you also start from one and begin building, you build up, you build up, you build up, you build up, you build up. One day you begin become profitable, and one day your account will be bigger. You also be able to raise $1,000, be able to raise $2,000, be able to raise $5,000. But for now, you can only raise maybe $50 or maybe $100 or maybe $20. I don't know how much capital you're using to trade, but you still need the foundation level. You still need to build the skills. If you don't build the skills, then you can never ever make money in forex. Forex is a business that must be treated as such, just like any other career. Can you just watch one football match and become the best footballer in the world? Can you watch one football match or just play one football game and now you compete with C. Ronaldo? Guys, you can't do that. You cannot just watch one football match or play one football game, soccer game, and then you become a superstar like Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi. They have built a structure. So if you see them today making a lot of money, a lot of millions in football, it means they built a structure years ago, years back. And you want to watch one football match today to become like Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi, you can't do that, right? So what I'm trying to say that forex is a business, not a hobby. If you take forex as a hobby, you can never make money from forex. But if you take forex as a business and you use the business approach, then you'll be able to make money from forex. So the question is, how do you take forex as a business? How do you take forex as a business so that you can make money out of trading, so that you can even quit your job to become a full-time trader, or over time you'll be able to make money, be able to make a lot of money out of forex. This video is taking long. I will explain the process of taking forex as a business to you in the next video. So maybe next week, Saturday, come here and come and watch that particular series. Okay, come here, come and watch that particular one. I will take my time to also explain how you can build a business through forex. So I think that'll be all for this video. Come back next week, Saturday, and come and see how I'm going to explain how you can build your business as a forex trader. This is OWAS, your mentor, and I'm signing out.